Hi, this is WordPress Holder, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can ask me for help by email in description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to add custom font into your DIVI website. If my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation to support me. All info is in description area under this video. Okay, you have beautiful website, you want to use custom font, you know how to add custom font, but it probably doesn't work. It's a bit tricky. Okay, let's try. Enable Visual Builder. We have our single section on our demo website. Here's exciting content. You should click into your section. You should, 1 second. You should go to design and edit to area where you've added font for your section. Okay, it's H2. Oops, sorry, we have here our default fonts, so we should click upload and drag and drop your font here. It supports TTF and OTF formats. Here write your title. This title is only for you. It's font name, so you understand what is it at all. Okay, click upload. Sorry, we are not able to upload this file type, so it's issue. The issue is that WordPress is not allowing a lot of file formats to upload for safety reasons. For example, OTF, TTF, CVG, and you should add custom MIME types. Yeah, sounds weird. Okay, so there are two ways to do it. You can do it by custom coding, but you can do it because you wouldn't see this video. And other solution is much simpler. So go into WordPress dashboard, go into plugins, add new, and write in search MIME. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we have this plugin, MIME types, and that's all. So I already installed this one. Okay, you know how to install plugins. Just click install now and after click activate. Let's go to our plugins. Okay, it's installed. Now you should go into settings, MIME type settings, and scroll to bottom. Add values. Now you should paste this code for OTF font. I will add it in description area under this video. If you use TTF font, you should add TTF value. Where to find it? Just Google it, like TTF value for MIME type WP WordPress. Okay, first link, and it says it's okay. I don't see it. Here it is. This is for TTF. Should be like this. So I'll add both rows into description to my video. So now let's try to upload it. So you saw what I did. I click saved here. Save. Okay. So we drag and dropped it and click. Great. We have our font. Yeah, looks weird. It's just a random font from Google. Just want to show you how it works. And if we change font, we have your title. Not readable, but looks weird. Okay, and now what you should do, just click save, and this was for one single section, as you know. Let's disable it in sections so you can see it a bit better default. So your title is still here, as you can see. Click save, and now we can go into appearance and customize. So now we can add change font to custom for global website, but because it's not the solution to change font for small sections every time. Okay, now we should go into general settings, I think. Yeah, typography, and here is header font, and you can use your title, UTT title. Sorry. Okay, you see, it's just globally custom font. Same you can do for global body font. Let's try it. Let's refresh this page. Okay. And just let's add some custom titles so you can see it's working. New section, text, and let's write new title and h1 or h6. You see, it's our custom font. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope this video helped you. I hope you subscribe and like. Okay, have a good day, have a great life, have a best business ever with your custom font website. Yeah, good luck. Thank you.